Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to preview screening questions in Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what ZipRecruiter is about, let's quickly learn how to preview screening questions on ZipRecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. Go ahead and click on jobs. So once you click on job, you're going to have to select the job that you want to preview screen questions on. So let's say this is a job, and to click on the name of the job or the job title, and it's going to take you to this window where you have these tabs: edit job, edit screening questions, preview job. So go ahead and click on edit screening questions, and once you do that, it's going to take you to the next window. So in here it says bring candidates front and center by asking if they meet your job criteria when they apply. So select the deal breaker option to auto hide candidates that don't answer a question to answer incorrectly. So head over here to click on this preview tab you're going to find here, and once you click on that preview tab, you're going to see a preview just at the left corner. You're going to see the preview of the screening questions that you have definitely added to your Ziprecruiter. So this is pretty much the process. Okay, so remember, once you click on, okay, I'm just going to head over here. So from this window, let's say this is a job, so click on the job, or you can even click on the next question, whatever. So these are questions, not job. All right, so these are questions. So click on this preview, and once you click on preview, you're going to see, so preview how your screening questions will look to candidates in another window. So once you select this preview option, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to see a list of all your questions. And if you want to add more questions, you can head over here, click on add to add licenses and certificates. You can click on add to add background check, and click on add overtime, and even commute. You can click on custom question for you to add more questions from this field. So this is pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.